I'm too busy. How many times have you said that in the last month? Last week? Maybe you've even said it today. If you're running a bookkeeping business, keeping up with endless client requests, month-end, quarter-end, year-end chaos, just the payroll clients and deadlines alone leave you probably saying it all the time. I'd love to streamline my process, but I'm too busy. I really need to hire help, but I'm too busy. I know I should invest in better systems, but I'm too busy. Let's be candid. What you're actually saying is, I'm comfortable with my current struggles. It seems counterintuitive, but that's the message. You're not too busy. You're too comfortable with how things are. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah's a bookkeeper just like you. She was constantly overwhelmed, working late, answering emails on the weekends, chasing down client documents. She knew she needed a better system. She knew she needed to hire help. But every time she thought about making a change, she told herself, I don't have time for that right now. I'll do it later. And guess what? As you can imagine, later never came. Because even though she was frustrated, even though she knew something needed to change, at least this chaos, it was familiar. That's why so many bookkeepers say, I'll fix it later. But later never comes. Because when all is said and done, the devil you know feels safer than the devil you don't. It's why we stay stuck, and let's be honest, the real fear, it isn't time, it's fear of the unknown. What if you finally set up automation and something breaks? What if you hire help and they mess up client books? What if you change the way you price services and clients push back, or worse yet, they leave? That's the real reason we stay stuck. Not time, not workload, fear. But the unknown isn't the enemy, stagnation is. Let's get back to Sarah. One day, she finally asked herself, what if nothing changes? What if my business and my life still look like this a year from now, 5 years from now? And that question scared her more than hiring help, more than setting up new systems, more than raising her prices. So she finally took action. She automated her onboarding process, thanks to Maven. She hired a virtual assistant for all of her administrative tasks, and she raised her rates to attract better clients. And within months, she was working less, making more, and finally had time to breathe. So now it's your turn. And here's my challenge to you. The next time you catch yourself saying, I'm too busy, stop. Ask yourself, am I really too busy, or am I just avoiding change? And most importantly, what's one thing you can take action on right this minute, right now, to move forward? Here's what I want you to do today. 1, identify your biggest bottleneck. Is it time, clients, pricing, or manual work that's dragging you down? 2, take one small action, whether it's setting up a system, outsourcing a task, or blocking time to strategize. Just take one step, just one. 3, commit to change. That's it. Easy peasy, as they say. So drop a devil icon in the comments if you're ready to break free from the devil you know, and I'd love to hear what your next step is. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Up next, networking hacks for the introverted or shy. Because you have to network. It's a non-negotiable.